In this video, we're going to look at two different AppSumo tools that can help you generate leads for your business. The first is BHuman, which can create personalized outreach videos at scale so you can automate some of your lead generation. The second tool is called Fable, and it can help you create demos and presentations faster than ever before. You can easily combine these two tools to create a very efficient sales process. Hi, I'm Bjorn from WPLearningLab. Now let's get started. When you first log into your BHuman account, you got to fill out this short form with your name, your title. I'm the head of sales at WP Done For You, which is a new service I'm launching. If you're interested in that, stay tuned to this channel. I need BHuman in, pick an industry. I'm going to say sales in this case. 2, use case, reach out to prospects with personalized video, give automated personalized demos, drive meetings from white paper downloads, reignite stale leads, and respond to quote requests. I'm going to choose the first one, reach out to prospects with personalized video, then click on continue, and you're taken into your dashboard. And I've played around with BHuman already, and there's 3 main components to it. There's the AI Studio, which is basically creating campaigns and personalized videos that you email out to people. I don't want to schedule a call right now. There's Persona, which at $9 a month allows you to create basically a cloned personal assistant. And then there's Leader, which allows you to email people directly through LinkedIn. AI Studio is the one that's currently an AppSumo deal. Persona was one recently. Maybe it will be again in the future, but right now it's not. AI Studio is the one we're working on today. And here we have some suggestions from the AI. Reach out to prospects with personalized video, which is what we're going to do for this video. Reignite stale leads, which is something we can do as well, but this relies on videos already having been created to run campaigns. So we're going to ignore this for a minute. This is a demo campaign that you're going to see in your account when you log in. Up here in the top right is where we want to go to create the videos that are going to be used in campaigns. So click on create. You can choose either personalized video or text to video. I'm going to choose personalized video. You can pick from my videos, community videos, or you can hire an actor. I'm going to choose my video. This is the sample one that we have. Not going to use that. We're going to create a new one. Let's call this WP Done For You. Let's select the industry software. Sure. Here we select the use case for the video. It can be used to reduce churn, automate and personalize demos, upsell customers, reach out to new leads, reignite stale leads, educate customers about your product. So I'm going to choose this one. All of those are plausible use cases for what I'm doing, but I'm going to choose that one for now. You can then record a video in the browser, or you can upload a video. With the recorded video in the browser, you can use easy or advanced mode. With the uploaded video, you can only use advanced mode, and we'll see what those are in just a second. I'm going to choose recorded video. For easy mode, you can personalize only the first name. You pick a language in here, English for example. For the advanced mode, this is only available if you generate at least one video using easy mode. They probably want you to get a feel for the system, but here you can have as many variables as you want. For example, you could have a variable for their first name. You could say, hey, first name, I'm happy that you bought product, and then replace the product with whatever their product was that they bought. And thanks for doing business with us at your company name. So I'm going to choose easy mode because we have to. Here's a little video on how to get started, and basically just tells you to record a video, nice lighting, no background noise, all that stuff. Got it. We can generate a script for the video if we want. For the script prompt, I'm going to describe the company WP Done For You, which I'm launching in the very near future. It's a WordPress maintenance and services agency, and we're reaching out to new customers. It's going to be the script. The call to action, get on a 15-minute demo call, generate new scripts. Let's see what it comes up with. It's not bad. It's got 3 over here. Read through it. Pick the one that you want. I'm going to choose this last one. The button's on top. Felt backwards. I thought I couldn't scroll down to find the blue button, but it's right there. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to allow the camera. There I am on camera. You can't choose the camera source. This is not my webcam. It is my webcam, but it's the one built into the computer versus the one I have sitting on top of the computer. Stay 5 feet away from the camera. Keep variables and short phrases, pauses around those phrases. Why do you have to be 5 feet back? Likely because when they personalize it with someone's name, they kind of fudge your mouth movement and they try to make it look like you actually said it when you didn't. So that's why you gotta stay 5 feet back, and I'm way too close. Gotta go way back here. Then my audio is not gonna be great, but that's okay. Let's give it a go. I'm gonna hit the record button, and then I'm just gonna read the script. This is your name calling from WordPress. You know what? Stop recording already. I'm looking down here reading it, but the camera's up above. So I have to change this. Otherwise it's going to be super lame. So I'm just going to put this into a notepad file and put the file right up here near my camera. There we go. I'm going to read it from here. So it looks like more like I'm looking into the camera. If you have a teleprompter, this would be even better. Anyway, let's trash this and let's re-record and try that again. Hi, name. This is Bjorn calling from WP Done For You. We specialize in providing top-notch support and maintenance for WordPress websites. If you're looking for a reliable partner to help manage your site, we would love to chat with you. Can we schedule a brief 15-minute demo call to show you how we can take your website to the next level? Not bad, except for that freeze frame right there. All right, so we got the video. I'm going to click Save now to upload that. We also have the option of recording and uploading from the desktop. It says speak in the same place you recorded your video in the same manner for at least 15 seconds. I'm going to skip that option. I'm going to wait till this is uploaded. Then I'll click Next. Okay, it's ready. You can play it back if you want. I'm not going to. I have faith that it's awesome. Click on Next. Detecting face. It found my face, but that's not what I look like. So maybe it didn't find my face. Here we have two options again. Max is disabled because your face is too close to the camera. However, Mini will work great for this video. Okay. Mini comes with a beautiful customizable background. It can be a prospect's website, LinkedIn profile, or any other media. Force Mini mode. Let's click on that. So found the variable for name. We can see that here. And we can choose a voice to play that variable by clicking on these four options. And this is based on the recording, so it should be pretty close to my voice. So let's play these and see what they sound like. Hey, Megan. Hey, Megan. Hey, Megan. Hey, Megan. I like version 1. Hey, Megan. You can choose any other version you want. You can also click on Generate More options to generate more. I'm going to save voice 1 for name variable by clicking on that. Up in the top right here, shows the variables. Chose this transcript, but it's not available for easy mode. If the transcript was available, maybe you can make some edits to it. I'm not sure. No campaigns used in this video. No samples or other videos generated. And for advanced, we can add more voices to our voice profile by uploading more audio here. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on Preview Sample and then click on Background Settings. Because we're in mini mode, we have to have a background. Let's say website. Select the background type. Generic desktop, direct link to image or video. Public website or screenshot, LinkedIn profile URL. So I'm going to say public website or screenshot. Generate. Didn't make me add a URL, so not sure what's going to put back there. The video is done processing. We can click on here to watch it. That's a great freeze frame. Make sure that when you record the video, as soon as you hit record, you're ready to go. We're not doing goofy stuff like this. Hey, website. Hi, name. This is Bjorn calling from WP Done For You. We specialize in providing top-notch support. Hey, website. Hi, Bjorn. So this part was the name that I was supposed to enter. So for name, enter value, I put website. It should have been the actual name of the person. Let's go to create new campaign and actually customize it to be in a campaign. I'll just do a preview sample and that should iron out all those issues. I'm going to call this WP Done For You Campaign 1. You can select a webhook. I'll just choose Zapier because that was the only one in there. Create campaign. Select mode. Going to keep it as the mini because we were too close to the camera, if you recall. And now we can add more information for the campaign. We can upload data as a CSV from Zapier, from Leader, from MailChimp coming soon. And this is the data that's going to be used to create the content in the video. In most cases, I'd probably be using Zapier, maybe Leader, maybe MailChimp, but Zapier would connect to my own CRM and email autoresponder so that whenever someone's added to a certain campaign or a certain thing happens, we can generate this video and send it to that person. But because that would not be sent to us and we couldn't see what was happening, and we want to see what's happening so we understand the system, we're going to use CSV. And this will allow us to upload our own data. For some reason, the CSV upload isn't working right now. I've tried many times, many different ways, and every time I try it, it throws an error for my CSV, and it's a legitimate CSV. It's comma separated information, but always get an error. But when your CSV is imported successfully, it will show a table preview down here, and then you can use this card here to map the variables to your video. If you have, or if you recorded with just the easy mode, you can only map a name. If you use the advanced mode, you can map all kinds of variables depending on which tier you have from the AppSumo deal or from their website if you purchase directly from BHuman. I'll talk more about the AppSumo deal at the end of this part of the video. And then you can enable voice cloning to read the variable, the name in this case, or you can record the voice manually. So to go through each name, then you record the name and then it'll publish that as the audio. Here you can change the background, and I can't show you the generated video in this video because my CSV isn't working. But if you click the link in the description down below and you go to this page, which is the user showcase, it will show you videos of actual people who have used BHuman to create videos. You can see what they're like and get some inspiration from those and see how the finished product looks. And this happens with AppSumo deals sometimes because they're brand new products and they're working out the kinks. But I have confidence BHuman's going to be awesome. So I'm going to stack up on it. And I made a video on it because I believe in it and I think it's going to help me in my business, and maybe it'll help you in yours. If you click the link in the description down below, it will take you to the sales page on AppSumo for BHuman. It is an affiliate link. If you end up purchasing after you click that link, I get a credit for that. It does not make it more expensive for you. It just helps me keep making these videos for free. If we take a look at the pricing for BHuman, we have tier 1, 2, and 3 and the multiple tiers in that drop down there. For $49, you get access to the first tier. That gives you 1 user seat and 150 videos per month. So you could potentially send to 150 prospects per month with tier 1. That includes basic face cloning and 2 variables. So name was the variable we used in this example for this video, but you could use company name and name, or someone's name and the product that they bought, or the time of day, or what have you. So you have 2 variables. On tier 2, you get 500 videos per month, so you could potentially email out to 500 leads in a month. And then you get teams and collaboration as well. And then for tier 3, you can potentially send out to 1,200 leads a month. Plus you get LinkedIn automation. And then the higher you go in the tiers, the more videos per month you can send out. So if you think BHuman can help you in your business, and I can't imagine a universe in which it can't, you should check out the AppSumo page and lock in your lifetime discount, because the prices on their website are way higher and they're monthly. So lock it in if you think this can benefit your business. This is the Fable platform that allows you to create interactive demos of anything on the internet. And I'm the kind of person who creates videos for a living. So I say to myself, what do I need Fable for? I can just make a video of it. But it's really useful. I created this demo of the AppSumo homepage, and it so quickly created an awesome guide for that page. If I click on play, we can preview it. After you watch the preview, I'll show you that I did almost nothing on this. So here it says, welcome to AppSumo. Having trouble using AppSumo? Don't worry. This quick demo will guide you through. First, exploring Black Friday deals. Second, finding courses and digital resources. Third, accessing your account and purchases. Let's get started. I didn't write any of that. Fable did. I didn't put this box here. Fable did. Let's click on Let's Begin. Here it says, let's start by exploring the AppSumo homepage. It has this section highlighted because this is where I clicked. I clicked on these arrows right here. Here you'll find the Black Friday deals. Take a look at the product carousel to see the amazing offers available. I didn't write product carousel. I clicked on product carousel when I was creating the demo, but it knew that it was a product carousel. You can even scroll down the page. It's like the full website, and the demo is just overlaid. So we did that step. Great, now scroll through this carousel to view more products. Each card displays the product name and da-da-da-da-da. Did that. Okay, interested in specific types of products. Click on courses and more, the navigation menu. Let's click on courses and more, and it goes to the courses and more page. Now let's access your account. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, then select products from the drop-down menu to view your purchases. Okay, view my purchases. Welcome to your product inventory. Here you can see all your activated and available products. Click on any product to manage access. Got it. Thanks. Congratulations. Did it all. Book a demo. There's a call to action to book a demo. Now that you saw what we created, let me show you how easy it is. Let's do another one on the AppSumo homepage. This time, do it a little differently. So it wants us to resize the screen to be the perfect size for its needs. So click on resize. Don't worry if you think it's going to record what's off on the side. It's not going to. It only records what's on your screen. Click on record a new demo, wait for 5 seconds. This time we're going to do things differently. Here it says, click the icon again to stop recording. Let's click on shop drop 1. There's multiple drops for Black Friday deals on AppSumo this year. Let's click on squirrely. Let's see if it'll be able to pick us up as clicking on one of these. Let's do the double So clicking right there, everywhere you click, it should be picking up what you're clicking and then give you text-based information on that click inside the demo. Now let's go into, let's see, coupons and credits. I have 0 available credits. That's unfortunate. And let's end the demo right there. Stop recording. Click on Save as New Demo. In this first box, we tell it about the features we demoed. In the second box, we tell it about the objective of the demo. And who are we telling this? We're telling this to Quilly, which is Fable's AI that helps us create all the content for the demo. So I wrote in the first box, how to navigate AppSumo's Black Friday deals and where to find available credits to my AppSumo account. Basically a really quick summary of what we did in the video. And for the objective, I wrote book a 15-minute demo call. This is what we want the people who are watching the demo, our prospects, to do after they've watched it. Click on Finish Creating Demo using Quilly. Now it's going to put in a bunch of work. I'll just pause this video while it works. It only takes a minute or two, and I'll be back almost instantly for you in a minute or two for me. That was pretty quick. I think that was probably less than a minute. Now we choose a theme. Doesn't really matter which one you choose. There's one that Quilly suggests based on the content on the site because it inspects the HTML. There's also one that's just globally default, and then you can customize either of them. I'm just going to choose the one that Quilly thought would be perfect and go from there. Now it's creating all these things. This is Quilly's progress. Quilly's writing all the content. I'll pause this video again and I'll be back in just a bit. That was probably less than 20 seconds. And now we're back. Demo's done. Here it says, welcome to AppSumo's Black Friday extravaganza. You recall, I didn't write that. Quilly wrote that. Discover amazing deals on AI-powered tools and learn how to maximize your savings. Ready to supercharge your business? I didn't write about AI-powered tools, but those are super trendy right now. And most of the Black Friday deals have AI-powered tools. So it read that off the page. It even says, scale your content game with AI right where we click the button. Let's click on Let's Explore. So here it says, this first box, it highlights it there. AppSumo's Black Friday extravaganza, scale your content game with AI-powered tools. Get an extra 19% off. Hurry, these deals won't last. So it took that first sentence there, right off the page, and added in, hurry, these deals won't last. Show me the details. It took us right down to the bottom of the next page. Remember, we clicked and we scrolled down. I'm not sure if we can add that scrolling effect in, but we did click on Squirrely SEO. And here it says, boost your SEO with Squirrely. Rank up your WordPress site. I'm going to change that text. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. We can change everything you see. Rank up your WordPress site with AI-driven SEO goals. Get lifetime access for a whopping 91% off. Where did it get the 91% off from? Because it doesn't show that here. It must have read that on the next page. Click on Tell Me More. And I don't see where it said 91% off. Maybe did some math. I don't know. So we clicked on double. It's not a link. So you can click on things that aren't links and it will try to explain what you clicked on. And it understands that this is part of a payment tier, a payment plan, and it basically summarizes what it is. Our double plan offers more value. 10 sites, 50 focus pages, and 30,000 keyword ideas monthly. Ready to supercharge your SEO? Question mark. How do I buy? That's not what we're doing. So that's not exactly accurate because we're not buying. I'm now going to the credits. Manage your profile, products, and payments all in one place. Let's check your available credits. Check my credits. And it doesn't really show us exactly how we got here. So when you're planning your demo, maybe plan your clicks better or differently. I'm not quite sure. But it didn't show us exactly how we got here. Your AppSumo credits, your current balance is 0. Apply credits at checkout or redeem gift cards for even more savings. Learn about savings. Combine coupons, credits, gift cards for the best deals. Ready to save big on Black Friday? Book my demo. Ready to take the next step? Book your 15-minute demo call now to learn more about our Black Friday deals and Click on book a demo, and then that would take them to the demo booking. That's super, pretty awesome. But we want to edit some stuff because it's not perfect yet. Let's click on edit, and we see our demo broken up into steps that you can navigate through. And you can click into any one of these pages and you can edit all the content. So here's the pop-up box with the text. On the right is the text that you can edit and put into here. I think that's a pretty good piece of text. Let's add, let's go. Right there. We can create an audio video guide based on this content and add it in there as well. We can change the branding, as in change the colors, the background colors, the font. This is of this box that you see, not of the whole site, just the box. You can show the Fable watermark or not, depending on what kind of plan you have. Under advanced, we can customize even more. Probably things that people don't want to customize usually, but you have those options as well. For the calls to action, you can pick the button layout. You can pick how it works. You can add another button if you want. Under effects, This applies effects to elements on the screen, either selected or non-selected. You can choose the different effect types, including Cyberpunk, which is the one you should always be using, I think. You can add effects on the annotations. You can change the sizing and position. The positioning might be something you want to change. If I click on this down arrow, you can choose where the box is positioned. You can also choose medium, small, large, or custom for the size. And then this is the starting box. On the next slides, where you actually have the box pointing at something, you have more positioning options. I'll show you those in a minute. Under advanced, this is the entry point. Got a checkbox there because you need to have an entry point for your demo. So that's this one. That's all the options, really. If we go to the second box, the second slide, let's see. We have an arrow here pointing at a specific thing. And the positioning, let's go to custom. This option was not available for that starting box. I'm clicking on the left side, but it's not going there because it'd be off screen. It'd be past the left side here. And the top probably wouldn't work either, but the bottom should work. There we go. There's the bottom. And the right works. So depending where on the screen the object that you're annotating is, you can pick different positions. Hotspot is also a new one. You can choose to hide the annotation or not. And if your annotation is not pointing to the right spot, you can select the nested element, which is a different element on the page, because Fable gets all the HTML for the whole website. This is a scannable website. It's the full page. You can look all around. It's like an interactive demo of the website, which is pretty cool. And entry point is unchecked because this is not the entry point. So you can edit all of the slides, annotations, just like that. You can click the plus icon right here to add another slide in between these two. So for example, you can create a new annotation on this screen or by adding a new screen. So if you click on this screen, it'll just duplicate this. And you can add an annotation. By adding a new screen, it's going to have you record a new screen and add that in there as well. These connectors can be deleted. Let's delete that one. And let's connect it to, see if we can have branching pathways. I can't connect it. There we go. Now I've done it. I think I busted it because I can't manipulate this connector anymore. These connectors stay connected. This one just drew an arrow there and it's not what we want. So as with most AppSumo deals, it's a great product, but it's still work in progress. We can click over here to add a new screen to this demo. I like that I have this arrow pointing where I'm talking about now. You can design your loader. This is the default loader that plays when the demo's loading. You can upload your own logo, you can upload a link, you can upload a GIF or a Lottie file, and you can change the text on the page. We can also work on the mobile responsiveness. My application is mobile responsive, my application is not mobile responsive. It is because it's a website. So hopefully AppSumo is mobile optimized. I clicked on your app is mobile responsive, and then check out how this demo works on mobile devices is another link so we can see how it works on mobile. And that's pretty sweet. Under the gear icon, we have the ability to change from light mode to dark mode to no frame. I believe this is just in the back end. No, this is for the embedded demo. Let's go dark mode. Let's click on publish. To publish this thing, let's copy the link, see it live. There's our demo. Oh, I know why it's not working. Because I broke the connection for the first one. Let's make this the entry point. And make this one up here not the entry point. I might have unselected it. You only have one entry point, so unselected that automatically. Now let's try the demo for the mobile. Now it should work a bit better. That's pretty cool. Mobile optimized. It did change the positioning so it all fits. That's super slick. That's mobile optimized. And now let's publish again. And we clicked this demo already and we saw the demo. Let's do it again actually, because it crapped out on the first try because I didn't have that connected. Show me the deals, and now we see the demo that we saw before. Okay, that's great. We can also embed on a landing page with an iframe. Just use this code to embed it on a landing page. Bob's your uncle, and it's ready to go. You can also use variables in the annotation message and pass variables from URL parameters into the demo. Let's try that. So let's put first name into this one. Let's just say first name. Scale your content. It's saving according to that little disk there. Okay, that should be saved. And now we have to add this to the URL. So let's copy this and then copy this. Get our handy clipboard saver, put those two on there, and let's say Bob for the name. And now it should insert Bob on that first slide. It didn't. Let's hard refresh so we're not looking at cached stuff, and there's Bob. I'd like it if it was the same size and same font and everything. Did I mess that up? Is it because when I added it, I just copied and pasted? Probably. Let's type it in. You can see it looks like our variable. So let's just type in the variable instead of copying and pasting it. First underscore name, comma space, and then delete that. All right, saving. Now come back over here, hard refresh, and do it again. Come on, you can do it, Frank. And there we go. Took a bunch of refreshes, but now it's got the text at the same size and scale and font and everything as the actual demo text. So don't copy and paste those variables. Make sure you actually type them out and format them as you have the rest of the demo. And that's legit. I love it. And you can also add modules, as in chapters. So if I click into here and then click on create a module, I'm going to call the overall heading for it chapters. For the first one, I'm going to say AppSumo Site Nav. Choose a module it applies to. So I'm going to choose B1. Put it there. And then for the second one, I'm going to say AppSumo Credits. Choose a module it applies to. We only have B1 and A1 to choose from because those are the separate pathways here. So I'm going to actually make a new pathway. I'm going to delete this connector, and this will be our second module. So it's going to run through this one as the first one, and this one is the second one. Go to Edit Modules. We have our Site Nav associated with B1. Click on Add Another Module. I'm going to call this one AppSumo Credits, and I'll choose C1, and I'm done here. Let's publish that. Let's open this incognito. Maybe it'll save us a few refreshes. So here it shows our chapters down below. So we can go to any one of these and navigate through like chapters would. So if I want to go back to the beginning, go back to the beginning. So your demos can be quite extensive, and you can navigate back and forth and back using chapters. It's pretty cool. Now, what else is there? There's the Demo Hub. This is a place that you can have on your site that will host all your demos. And I say on your site because under settings, you can add a custom domain. So you can have, I don't know, demos.yourdomainname.com, and all your demos will be in that place. On the Leads tab, it'll show you how many leads you've captured through your demos and information about them. On the Integrations tab, we can integrate with Zapier, Slack, Pipedrive, webhooks, which allow you to integrate pretty much anywhere, HubSpot, Salesforce, Pardot, MailChimp, Outreach. And these will basically pass the contact information for the leads into these systems so that you can collect their data. You can also have custom field mapping. So if you added custom fields to your forms that collect, say, birthday date, you can map a field to your CRM so you can add their birthday if they enter that into the field. Under user management, you can invite more users, and depending on which plan you have, you can have more and more users. And we have all the usual things like billing, settings. The datasets is pretty cool. It allows you to create a dataset like this, for example, which will automatically fill in the personalized content into your demos so you can personalize them at scale. That's really handy. You can also book a free demo consultation. So if you're having trouble figuring out what you're doing or don't know if this is for your use case, you can book a demo and someone at Fable will help you with your account and try to help you figure out whether it's something your business can use and benefit from. If you want to try Fable out, I encourage you to check out a Tier 1 license. You can get 1 custom domain, 1 creator, and 60 total minutes of video or audio guides. That's total. That's not per month. You get 60 total minutes. I'm not entirely sure how they measure the total minutes, because if you think back to the one we just created, it's a custom guided tour. You can take all the time you want to go through there. So I'm not sure what the 60 minutes actually means. But you can add call to action buttons, customize the demo loader, and no limits on embeds. And then each tier you move up, you get more features and more total minutes and more custom domains and more creators. So go here, pick the tier that you want. I'm probably going to max this one out because I can see a lot of use case potential for it. And you really can't go wrong because the monthly cost is way higher than the AppSumo cost. And if you think you're going to use it, think you're going to get value from it, I encourage you to click the link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, It does not cost you more to go through that link, but it does make AppSumo give me a commission to help me keep making these videos for free. And you should check out Fable. It's awesome. And like I said, I'm probably going to max out the tiers, hopefully apply it a lot in my businesses. If you got value from this video, make sure you click subscribe and ring the bell to let me know. And then check out this channel right up here, which is my software channel called Launch Time Media. Check that out. There's all kinds of software tutorials and walkthroughs. If you like that kind of thing, that's the channel for you. My name is Bjorn from WP Learning Lab. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.